Hello everybody, welcome to the magical world of art and craft. So today I'm going to show you how to make a bookmark like this. So things you'll need is a paper, pencil, glue, ruler, scissor. For decoration you all can use marker, color pencil or crayons, whatever you prefer. So let's get started. So first of all, mark 7 centimeter on the corner. You need to make a square. 7 multiplied by 7 centimeters, like this. It should look like this. Another one over here. And another one over here. So it should look like this. Then make a slant line over here and one over here. Then we need to cut these 3 squares out. Then over here, and then the last one. Then you need to cut out these slant lines. So it should look like this. Like this. Then take your glue. First of all, hold one side and then put some glue over here. And then close this. So it should look like this. Now you can decorate it. So it will look like this. It also protects your page, its corners, like sometimes when you're reading it gets folded. So it protects the pages. Like once accidentally, I just accidentally folded the side, so you can protect it as well. So I hope so you enjoyed this video. Please like and share, and yeah, please subscribe. Thank you.